Hi everybody, my name's Heath, and today I'm going to show you a cheap and easy way to keep your 3D filament dry and sealed up. So first off, we're going to need a few items. Of course, your 3D filament, vacuum cleaner, and then I made this little part here, which I'll show you the reason why later. To put on the end of the vacuum. We're going to need a silk packet. This helps absorb moisture, and 1 gallon Ziploc bag. These are super thin, so be very careful with these. They do tear, as you might be able to see here. Mine has a tearing already. I just use tape over it to seal that tear, and then I put tape on the edges because Ziploc bags tend to tear on the edge at the top. So first we're going to put our silk packet in here. Carefully place your spool in there. Try not to stretch the bag because that'll end up tearing it, and we don't want that because then we're not going to have a good seal. So once we have it in there, I'm going to go ahead and Ziploc the entire thing almost closed till I get to the very end here. And then I'm going to take this little part that I 3D printed to put on the end of my vacuum. So I have a really small end here to suck the air out of the bag. So I'll put that on there. And then I'm going to just kind of squeeze it right there in my hole. And then the key to this is keeping the Ziploc as tight as you can at the end, and then turn it on. Suck out as much air as you can before we're finalizing it, and then slowly back it off and try to get the first part of the zipper closed before you do the second line. And then do one more, turn it off, and then do one more good zip to kind of get that section out. As you can see, it's a little vacuum sealed. I think this bag has another hole in it somewhere, but there you go. A cheap way